Welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to install the tent sandbag ballast. Now make a note that the tent sandbag ballast does come in a kit of 4. So first thing you want to do is fill it with ballast. So you're simply just going to unzip the top, and then you can fill it with sand, with small rocks, or you can even fill it with 2 to 3 water bottles. Once you have it filled, you're just going to zip up the top, and you're going to fill the other side, and then you're just going to attach to the frame of your tent. So what you're going to do is hug it around the frame. I'm going to attach both straps, and then I'm just going to tighten them. And then you can just tuck the straps behind. I'd repeat these same steps for the other 3 ballasts. It is just that easy to install your sandbag ballast.